Loser. Special attack.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone.
Sweet.
Welcome to the game! Despite my computer not working, we are here to play Pixelmon / live my normal life.
Ah, I killed something.
Oh man, I'm gonna lose. I'm so far behind. I gotta go get the first thing I see. First thing. What's this?
I'm so angry at Alex right now. What is she?
Level 15 Voltorb? Oh no, these are level 12 Electric.
Yeah,
Oh, the Pokemon's already in the battle. Already. Oh, these are level 23 Electric. That's just as good.
Oh dear. Mittens.
Let's go, Pokemon.
Yeah.
Use Tackle, Turtweed. Oh no. He's poison. Forgot to buy Pokeballs. I'm winning. You look only at HP. What's this draw do? Oh no. How could I possibly lose?
I think Turtweed is not prepared. I'm gonna try to fight someone.
How dare you?
I don't think Mittens will let me prepared.
No, you got a Pokemon. It's time to battle.
What?
It's time to battle.
I'm getting my butt kicked by a miner.
Turtwig.
Like, absolutely
It's
destroyed.
not letting me join the battle. Not letting me join the battle.
This thing's just
We'll go buy some.
mauling me.
I'm gonna go buy some Pokeballs.
I'm gonna lose to a miner.
You see, my dear watchers, who are getting major tonal whiplash if you watched my last video, because I'm acting very differently.
Woo!
Selling all my ether lets me buy Pokeballs.
We rated enough, dude.
What's a heavy ball do?
It makes it easier to catch more heavy Pokemon.
What's a heal ball do?
It's when you catch a Pokemon, it will heal that Pokemon back to full health.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. That's a luxury ball.
It will make a Pokemon grow more friendly more quickly.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Turtwig.
I think it has a higher catch rate than a base Pokeball.
Outrage candy bar. That doesn't seem like something nice to eat.
Probably not.
Turtwig.
I just want to buy a Master Ball.
You have to go boss. Or
What?
you might get a Park Ball.
Turtwig.
Capitalism.
Park Balls do the same thing.
Turtwig.
I'll just fine. I'll just.
So you'll get the achievement Cheater if you use one, so you might not be able to get one. I don't know.
Let's buy 4 Great Balls and an Ultra Ball. Bye.
Did you sell all your heal items?
Nope, I just sold all my ether. Come on, Turtweed, the chosen one.
Beetroots.
Turtweed.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Turtweed, I mean, sorry for misnaming you. I know that's very offensive.
You know, I think I
I've heard that when you leave your Pokemon out, it builds friendship.
Turtwig.
I don't know, probably.
So I'm just gonna not let my Pokemon, so I'm just not gonna bring my Pokemon back in. it's just gonna roam free. It's a wild Pikachu. I mean,
Not a
Turtwig.
Pikachu.
Nah, no one said Pikachu. No, this is an entirely separate intellectual property.
Yes, I am a Pokemon League opportunity.
Turtwig.
We're not stealing. We're not copywriting, are we? This is entirely original.
Turtwig.
It's literally called Pixelmon, not Pokemon. It's Pixelmon.
This team,
Turtwig.
Agua guy. Yeah,
You know,
Team
you can get
Agua.
Rocket uniforms in this, or I mean,
Turtwig.
he's level 37. I want to fight him.
you're stupid. You are a stupid fool.
Has
Turtwig.
access. Oh, that's a level 38 Gilman. I'm gonna get one. I just got one shot. He's the 27th strongest member of the team. It's actually,
Scary?
yeah, a little bit. Well, actually, how many members are in the team?
It's a pretty big organization. If Archie's the strongest, that makes him pretty dangerous. Hey, I personally like him.
You need to go to bed.
I like Maxie and Black.
Get free beds for entering the village. It's very good.
I'm lost.
Just put the bed down and it's easier to look in the morning. I'm going on an adventure. I'm recording here. I can't just stay in bed. But
I didn't know you were in bed. I thought you were just waiting for me.
Shoulder.
I got the Sweet Dreams achievement.
I didn't see it. Oh, I'm gonna get beat up.
Instead, I'm going to do something much more interesting. I'm going to go fishing.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I know, right?
I'm getting
Ooh, shells.
Turtwig.
You know what I'm gonna do?
like how
Shells, I'm gonna tackle. Stop decreasing my turn lead's accuracy.
Hey, you know what that is?
Oh, right next to me? Well, that's just the hole. The hole's all shit. Great Ball's kind of a waste here, but... Oh,
Turtwig.
that's probably good. I captured shells. Probably.
You're slow looking dude?
Yep. Yep. Now let's go to bed. Where did I put my bed? There's where I put my bed. I'm just sleeping in the Poke Center. There's Joy's like, this is not a hotel.
You already stole your stuff.
That's true. We robbed you blind. Like, we literally robbed you blind. We did it right in front of your face. Break the healer with the hammer. We need the healer. Try it.
What's that for? Stop doing that. Why? You're gonna break my armor.
I'm gonna break your armor?
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I don't care if I die. You're gonna dance to hurt my
Turtwig. Turtwig.
and they're also really like,
I'm gonna get a magic card. level 9, so it's fine. Okay, that's good enough for a great pullback. What do you call it? Plus I'm underwater right now, and I don't have to drown here. Hopefully. I have 3 Pokemon now. Oh yeah, I do drown. I do drown during an encounter. You know, all that talking from underwater probably wasn't the best decision I've ever made.
Yeah, probably not. Do you think we need more?
Okay, but now I'm gonna go grind a magic card, so...
I got bones and mail.
Hold on. Ah, wrong button. I mean, wrong... life switch. Accept. Magic card. Use splash. Fine. Shellos. Use water gun. I will counter your counter. Sentret. You will be my hard counter.
That is
Again.
Okay.
No, not Sentret. I mean something better. Even better even than a Sentret. I don't know what that is. I'll take this green apricorn now. Ah, plant it. Run away. Continue running. Don't stop running until you find Meryl. Go. Run. You're a scary Meryl. It requires using my life switch to get my bearings.
Score bunny? I want a score bunny! Get the score bunny! It's gonna be a fire type gym over there.
Oh man. Oh, I found a desert.
Ooh, good. There's a desert? That'll
Yep.
help me improve my fire type game.
My battery's running low, so my life in it just opened.
I'm gonna risk a Pokemon if that doesn't work, I'm gonna faint. So.
Go to the desert, and I'm gonna get the best Pokemon. The best Pokemon in the world!
What are you gonna be my friend, Score Bunny? We're gonna get along with my friend.
My rival is a Sandboy. And I've officially crushed my rival's dreams. That's nice.
Alright, that's good. I'm gonna become mean and bitter because of this Score Bunny.
On more so. Oh no. Oh no, my friend. That's a level 20 Larvesta.
That's fire type, but there I am feeling one of those.
Hold it. I'll use my typing. Go magic card. Splash. All that. I actually didn't faint my magic card. I failed. Oh, it wasn't very effective, but it got my shell off. Run! What did I take? Oh, I got an awakening.
Oh, you can sell that.
I know I can sell that. I can sell everything. Money!
No, Marie. Oh, Marie. Little sheep.
Is that a village in the distance? It is! That's a UFO, I think. That's... Run. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's goods.
The Zigzagoon was coming. My
Oh, I could fight a boss.
what level is it?
It's in a raid dungeon.
You would be a fool to go in there.
Fu is my middle name.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Is this friendly banter?
No.
Are we friends?
No.
Friends. Best friends.
I have heard those are the people you treat the worst.
Ow. Hello, Nurse Joy. Not the Nurse Joy I know, but I'm just gonna barge into your place of business and use your technology.
Really?
I did. It's out in the desert.
Come out there.
There's another gym, too.
Another gym? There's a gym in our town?
Take a look-see.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a gym.
There's a grass one, I think, in our town.
Oh, sweet. Ooh, a hobbit.
I gotta eat carrots. You know,
Yeah,
I
you're right.
did.
That is grass, yeah.
I divvied with you the loot in the first blacksmith, because that was our spawn. I mean, our hometown. I'm just gonna rob this place.
I really don't care. I'm probably not going to be able to find it.
Ooh, steel gems. Dragon gems. Bread. I like bread.
Please don't make that decisions.
Aluminium. Iron. I acquired hardware. And an iron pick.
What kind of gym is this?
Correct.
No, I'm not going to visit the end for you. That seems like a lot of work. Someone I don't know.
Welcome to my Pokemart. Maybe I will find something I like. Maybe I... But first I'm gonna sell all my dragon gems. My steel gems. I have sufficient funds.
Oh no. I can't take this. I want to leave! Let me escape from the trader bell, please!
As everything's so gosh darn expensive. I need to go fishing. I'm in a desert. Oh no.
No.
Oh, there's some water. That was super easy. Apparently an inconvenience. Fish. Fish, my pretty.
I need a doctor!
Fish. Yes. That's a level 28 Vaporeon.
It's poison.
So, quick guess. If I have a level 28 Vaporeon, full health, and a Ultra Ball, and knock down my magic. Tackle my friend. that hurts my feelings. I used all of my remaining Pokeballs to get that thing. Oh, escape. So bad.
I'm so hungry right now. I'm going to starve.
Just steal from the farm.
No.
Go to sleep.
I'm eating now. I got some cooked on top of rat. How good is it?
No.
Pretty good, actually. Time for bed.
I
No.
wouldn't know. I don't usually eat much off of rat. I have a little something called sophistication.
No.
Sophistication or cowardice?
Sophistication. Did that Vaporeon stick around?
Bread is good.
Is it still in the vicinity, or did it disappear after I fished it? Oh,
You
jeez.
picked it up?
Yep.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It just disappeared though. Didn't stay. I'm so upset actually.
I'm gonna go get my first gym badge.
I'm so upset.
I'll read this farm. No, can't read that.
I'm even more upset.
At my cruelty to villagers?
Oh, I
No.
need to catch another Pokemon. Get over
Vaporeon?
that Vaporeon.
Vaporeon's cool.
Garbage.
Cool.
Oh.
Not. I just realized how questionable that sounds considering a lot of the stuff about Vaporeon, but just don't think of this weird stuff.
Do not think of any internet rules.
Yeah.
Please. Please.
I like Vaporeon in an innocent way.
He thinks the lady doth protest too much.
Hey! Easy. Watch it.
I will replace that Vaporeon. It's not gonna be as good. Actually, it's better for like pure level. It's better.
I will.
Okay. Type that. I don't know. That's good. Yep. I got I'm so I think it's got a lot of speed. I gotta go heal my Pokemon again. And then I'm gonna take out the gym because I'm angry. Because I've lost 2 Pokemon that I really wanted.
Alright, I'm losing it.
Then after that, I'm going to end this episode because my computer wife told me low batteries a while ago. And I think if I don't get charged, I'm gonna die. Wait, hold on. Is it still going? It is. I don't know how long that sudden gap was, or where I am for that matter. But yeah, I died. Long story short, there's Joy. It's a qualified nurse.
96.
Yep. Nurse Joy is a qualified nurse, and there's me back to hell. Good job, Nurse Joy.
Nice job, nurse. Oh no, my litmus still ain't good. Go to a doctor. No, I have to find you so that I can take on your gym too. It's steel type, right?
Who are you, lady? Shutting down internal server? How?
Did the lady shut down the internal server?
A fatal error has occurred.
That's true. What does that mean? I thought this was real life.
I don't know. It gave me an option of worlds to go to. I'm so confused.
Did you do this, lady?
Did you murder me?
Witch!
Did you
She be a
murder me?
witch!
Can you visit the nether? No! Witch. Lousy witch. That's barrier blocks.
Yeah, you aren't supposed to go in there, probably.
How? What? Can't tell me what. How do I get. Fine, I'm gonna throw Pokemon at it.
It's an invisible puzzle. Like the one in the Poison Gym Leader's place in the original game. I think it's a maze. I might be wrong, it might just be stupid and not letting me live there. I think it's a maze.
Oh
You need to reopen the lamp.
no. Oh. What is that?
Witchcraft. I picked it up after both of our unhappy deaths.
Then how am I supposed to do it if it's witchery? Oh, I either got it or I did it!
So I think this might be a poison gym you're walking into right now.
Oh, fella. Go Magikarp.
It's behind a barrier. You didn't breach him yet. There you go.
Alright, for it's a mind drainer. Use Splash, Magikarp. Oh, why my Magikarp ancient? Wait, did I heal? What's my level? Ah, I did heal. My Magikarp is at it. If I win, I will level. Oh man, well. Fairy Gem. Fairy Gem? Use water gun. Confusing. Creature. It's great. I played that better. Pardon. I need wind. Months. Oh shit, let's hurt it. What is that? Magikarp, it's up to you. It's up to you, Magikarp. It's up to you.